A sewing machine. At first glance, it seems so ordinary, nothing particularly special. To the average person, it's simply a tool to manufacture clothing, a means for patching a hole, repairing a favourite shirt, or perhaps a fun hobby. But for a widow in India trapped in poverty, highly at risk of being trafficked, beaten, or killed, it means more, a lot more. A single sewing machine can become a key, a way forward into a new future, a future filled with hope, with freedom, dignity, provision, independence, future business opportunities, and a livelihood for her family. With this simple sewing machine, a door is open to endless possibilities for a woman who recently had none. Rescuing Lives provides 6 months of free vocational training in tailoring and business skills to vulnerable widows. Upon graduation, each woman is given her own sewing machine, but so much more than just a sewing machine. She is given hope and empowerment. She is given a new future.